Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to see download history on App Store. So if you want to see all your download or purchase history on the App Store on your iPhone, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to see all your iPhone download history on the App Store, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the App Store on your iPhone, then confirm your Face ID to unlock the App Store. Next thing is go ahead and click on your profile icon at the top right. Then under account, locate and click on purchase history. Once you click on purchase history, hang on. And if you have any purchase history or download history on your App Store app, you'll be prompted to verify your Face ID. Once you verify your Face ID, then you should see summary for the last 90 days. If you have any purchase history on the App Store and if you want to change your purchase history, just come here, click on change range. You can change this to last 30 days, this year, last year. You can also set a custom range. So set maybe 2024, and the 2024 you want to see a download history for April. Then come to cost. Then if your cost is paid or free, you can select paid and free. Then select type and click on apps in purchases and then select others. After that, go ahead and click on apply at top right. Then hit the done button. Then you should see all your download history or purchase history here on the App Store. If nothing comes up here, that shows you do not have download history in the selected period. So you can just go back again and change show and then select when you want to show your download history from the pop and click on apply. So that is exactly how you can easily see or find your download history on App Store. You see that? So these are all my download history from the App Store. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.